Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about some training for CPA affiliate marketing. It's really challenging to get good affiliate marketing training for CPA specific for a reasonable price, and this is an opportunity for you to learn affiliate marketing, CPA, promoting CPA offers without costing you a fortune. Okay, so this is a PDF training that you can get for, I believe it's $19. Yes, it's $19. Okay, so this is the sales page, and I'm not going to go through all of this because you can read this on your own at your leisure. The link to this page is down in the description of this video. Okay, but what I want to show you specifically is what they focus on. Okay, so what they don't want to do is waste your time. You're not going to find any fluff in here. It's going to be very straightforward. A lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing want to know more about CPA affiliate marketing specifically. And if you're not familiar with what CPA affiliate marketing is, instead of selling a product like you do in affiliate marketing, you sell, or a service, you sell, or you actually generate leads. You bring the company that's selling the product leads, and thousands of companies are willing to pay you for leads because they know a percentage of those leads are going to convert to sales. Okay, so it's really a good opportunity to make some decent income by lead generation. Okay, I absolutely love it. Okay, so they're going to give you the techniques and help you identify the different types of CPA offers that convert really well. Okay, and they're going to show you both free and paid traffic sources. You can choose which ones you want to use. Okay, they're going to show you how to do testing and things like that to find out which offers convert best or which landing pages convert best. And then they're going to show you how to optimize your CPA offer campaigns. Okay, and they're also going to give you information about the different CPA affiliate networks that are available and also how to get approved. Okay, that's one of the roadblocks that new affiliate marketers in the CPA niche or offers run into. They often are denied because of lack of experience. But even if you are new, it is possible to get approved to a lot of different CPA networks. Okay, so you could buy this PDF training course for $19. They do have a money-back guarantee. Okay, and don't worry about this. There's more than one copy left. Okay, so again, you don't have to be experienced. You don't have to have a website or anything like that. You can learn everything you need to get you started from this PDF. Okay? Thanks for watching. There's also some information about some other videos that might be helpful to you down in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Good luck to you. I hope you make a lot of money.